Hello everybody, it's me Heather, and I have this month's Ipsy Glam bag. Ipsy is a beauty subscription service, and the Ipsy Glam bag gives you 5 sample size beauty items every month, curated in a cute little makeup bag. So let's see what we've got this month. Oh, this is very summery, very festive. I actually like this. I think it's quite cute. And here we have the little charm that says Ipsy. So let's see what's inside. So I've avoided spoilers. I have no idea what's in this month's bag. And here we go. Starting with the Great Lengths Mascara, lengthening and thickening mascara, formulated with jojoba oil and castor oil. And I actually don't know what brand this is. So let's see, what brand is this? This is, I cannot read that. It's BB something. It's something beauty. Well, let's figure it out. This comes at a perfect time because I'm always in need of mascara. I replenish my mascaras every month. Yes, you heard that correctly. So every 30 days, I throw out whatever mascara I'm using and get new mascara. Not because I'm decadent and wasteful, but simply because after 30 days, whenever I use a mascara, my eyes start getting irritated, they start itching, they start watering, they start feeling dry. So I always have to switch out my mascaras, so I do it every 30 days. All right, so this is the brand, oh my God, I'm sorry. I'm just not familiar with this brand. Butanio Beauty. So cool. Always happy to have a mascara. Let's see what else we've got in here. Oh, I haven't had anything from Kors in forever, or Korres. I always want to say Kors, but I guess it's Korres. And this is a Greek beauty blend. This is a foaming cream cleanser. Ooh, that sounds lovely. I love cream cleansers. I love foaming cleansers. So a foaming cream cleanser, well, that sounds like the best of both worlds. Looking forward to giving that a try. I love seeing the Greek alphabet. We don't see that too often on packaging here in the States. And this actually has Greek yogurt in it. Very cool. Looking forward to trying that out. Something new for me. Let's see, we got, oh my goodness. Does that say Jasmine Beauty? Wow, I feel like really illiterate today. I'm like, okay, but that's cool because I love being introduced to new brands. That's one of the things I love about Ipsy, is that they do introduce you to brands that you're probably not familiar with, so you get to try new things. It says it is an illuminating highlighter. This is, I do believe that says Jasmine Beauty. Oh, let's see, the name of the shade is Oh Mom. Okay. Interesting choice of name for a beauty product. So we got Oh Mom is the name of the shade. And let's take a look at it. Oh Mom. That's actually quite simple and quite cute. I like that packaging. Let's go ahead and take a better look at the shade. If I can get it open, very nice. So it's kind of a champagne, a rose gold champagne. Would we call it that? That's very pretty. Nice and subtle. It's quite pretty. I like that. All right, Jasmine Beauty. All right, we got 2 more items in here. And what do we got? Ooh, Glow Recipe. For those of you that have been dying to try out Glow Recipe, but you haven't committed to making the purchase, if you're subscribed to Ipsy this month in your glam bag, you'll get a sample size of the Strawberry Smooth BHA and AHA Salicylic Acid Serum. This sounds like a great skincare treatment. And since this has acids in it, I'm not going to squeeze it out at the moment, but you get the idea. Sounds great. All right, we got 1 more item. And what do we, ooh, is this a lip gloss? Ooh, this is the Beauty Crop BFF Brow Friends Forever. My bad, I thought it was a lip gloss. No, this is for your brows. Brows that I barely have, but I know a lot of people love a good brow gel. And let's take a look at the packaging. The packaging is quite cute, isn't it? I love the little hearts. I do appreciate that everything is shrink wrapped for freshness. Keep it clean and hygienic. BFF, that's very cute. And got your little brow gel for those of you that love a brow gel. All right, so we got a nice selection of items this month. We got skincare, we got makeup, and that's the way I like it. I like it when there's a mixture of skincare and makeup. All right, thank you so much, Ipsy, for sending me this month's glam bag. And thank you so much for watching.